Are you looking for the easiest way to transition onto a whole food plant-based diet and just don't know where to start? Are you already on a plant-based diet and finding it difficult to stay on track? Or do you feel isolated because your food choices aren't understood by your friends or your family? Are you looking for day-to-day guidance, great new plant-based recipes, and a community of like-minded people? If this sounds familiar, then this is the perfect place for you. Hi, this is Jill from the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, here with an exciting announcement for you. Our mission is to teach the world how to easily live a whole food plant-based lifestyle. That is why we are providing this community where we can simplify all of the knowledge that we have learned through living fully plant-based with our own family. I'm so excited to share with you our Plant-Based Made Easy membership community, where you will find our core membership is absolutely free, which will connect you to our regular updates, weekly recipes, and live stream Q&A sessions with me to guide you on your journey. You can join our community and we can do this together and take back control of our health and well-being. So are you ready to take the next step into your plant-based journey? Sign up for a free membership now and let's kickstart your whole food plant-based transformation. So click this link now and come and join our growing community today.